If you want to use your own domain with Namecheap FreeDNS, this video will walk you through the full setup from start to finish, step by step. This is perfect if you want to manage your DNS records in one place, point your domain correctly, and get everything working without confusion. Before we begin, make sure you already have access to your Namecheap account and to the registrar where your domain is currently managed. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's get into it. First, sign into your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, go to the domain section. This is where you'll find the tools you need to connect your domain to FreeDNS. Next, select FreeDNS. Now enter the domain or subdomain you want to use with the service. After that, click Get DNS. Namecheap will prepare the FreeDNS setup for that domain. At this point, add the domain to your cart and then click Set up DNS. This step activates the setup process and shows you the nameserver details you'll need next. Now, copy the FreeDNS nameservers provided by Namecheap. These are the nameservers you will use at your current domain registrar. Head over to the registrar where your domain is currently registered and replace your existing nameservers with at least 2 of the Namecheap FreeDNS nameservers. Make sure you save the changes after updating them. This part is important because nameserver changes are what tell the internet where to look for your DNS records. If the nameservers are not updated correctly, the rest of the setup will not work properly. Once that is done, go back to your Namecheap dashboard. In the domain product section, click Authorize FreeDNS. Namecheap requires authorization before it will fully activate the FreeDNS service for your domain. Now you'll see 2 possible authorization methods, email or TXT record. You can use either one depending on what is easier for you. If you choose email authorization, select email, then choose your domain-based mailbox. After that, click Save Changes. Namecheap will send a verification email to the mailbox connected with your domain. Open that email and click the verification link. Make sure you do this within 48 hours or the link may expire. If you prefer TXT authorization, select Host Records or TXT Record Authorization. Copy the TXT record value provided by Namecheap. Then go to your current DNS provider and add that TXT record exactly as shown. After you add it, return to Namecheap and click Save Changes. Namecheap will then verify the TXT record and confirm that the domain is authorized. After authorization, the final step is to wait for the nameserver changes to propagate. DNS propagation usually takes 24 to 48 hours, although in some cases it can take up to 72 hours. So if everything does not work immediately, that is completely normal. Once verification is complete and propagation has finished, your domain will be fully set up to use Namecheap FreeDNS. From there, you can manage your domain's DNS records directly through Namecheap, which makes it much easier to update records, point services, and control your domain settings in one place. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up a domain to use Namecheap FreeDNS, authorize it properly, and complete the setup the right way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next one.